Walk through, can't walk over.
Huh? No. I'm just walking. Anybody can walk in front of me. Yeah.
They tell you when you get to the trail pieces, which says it'll have little markers. So read the markers.
I'm just walking. I'll go with the group goes.
It's Gordon's Ridge Trail. No, Gordon's Ridge. It's a real hike, so I hope y'all ready. That way. It's a hike. This one I need to go outside. It's the shirt. Hot tea.
Best movie they ever did together, for sure. Yeah. But she was very dark.
When I get to the vortex. Because I don't know what all this is. But when I see the vortex, I'll be like, give me a minute. TikTok ain't here, so I can't pull up my quick references no more.
GPT, what happened right here?
Sedona, where they were. They used to be riding horses and shit.
Oh, let's see.
Do what anybody
How you folks doing?
Good morning. Morning.
Man, I bet at night you can see every star in the sky.
Oh, it's called Borden. It's in Borden, Canada.
She get a video. Do you use it with the sticks on or you take them off? I take them off. Oh, you know how to extend it, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. Good, right? It's starting to warm up.
Told you.
I'm glad I took that coat off. Morning.
Morning.
I like the quiet. That's on the radar. You can hike in California just to get the quietness. I feel like my mind is so busy trying to pick that land. I don't even get all the voices. Probably not a little hiking thing. Michael Lynn.
You and her. I thought y'all Kentucky was in February. I was looking at it for March.
Lord. Oh, man. Well, see, that's what's so great is so weird that she hasn't seen any. I should have brought the hand one. They usually do. It's like, look, there's a wall right there. Oh, shit. I don't know where. My hands hurt. I need hand knitting things.
Huh?
Them hand heaters. You know they got those. I seen a dude at Dine Studio. He had a whole jacket, electric heater in his jacket with the gloves.
You stick them in your pocket?
Huh?
All of a sudden, you stick them in your pocket.
They got those thermal jackets too.
Because he let me see it on the inside. He was warm and toasty. I said, oh, I need that. He told me he bought it at Home Depot for like $200. I said, absolutely not. I gotta wait for that sale on summertime.
Did you guys hike out here in the middle of the summer?
Probably.
I don't know, because I feel like it's going to burn me
Depend on the day.
Fuck somebody up.
Otherwise,
You have to bring like 2 gallons of water.
Yeah.
I hiked in Vegas in the summertime, and that shit was hard.
Well, yeah, y'all should plan on us some Dine practice. The idea was do the Vegas.
Yeah, Vegas would be sweet.
I don't know when, but we are. But unless you do a lot more, like
Doing the Vegas one?
Zion.
Zion would be sweet too.
It's like an hour coming from Vegas. That's why it was nice. Wait, Zion is an hour from Vegas? It's like an hour something from Vegas. It's not too far. It's like you can leave in that morning and get back by that evening.
Oh shit.
That's what I did. And then I went to Red Rock Trail and
Well, I got that gallon of water. That jug. I miss it though. It's not unbearable. When you wear it on your back, it distributes the weight more evenly, you know. So. Plus, I'm gonna be drinking the water so to get lighter as I go. At least that's what I was thinking. These steps are natural. That's sweet. You said your earplugs? What do you need earplugs for? Oh. Oh yeah, we are up there, huh? What are we, like 4,000 feet above sea level? My shit blew out in the plane. It's like you feel the pressure, then you like swallow and it's just like.
Yeah, I usually try to hold my breath in. I go like that.
Yeah. That's sweet.
You see the moon? Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank you.